What's up, guys? This is your artist Criz, and you're watching Creations. So, today we are going to talk about perspective. What is perspective and how we can use it? Perspective is basically an illusion created by our eyes, or we can say it's a form of art that helps us to draw into 2D images into 3D.
Songwriter Vault.
First step, I'm marking a point which known as vanishing point. It means maximum distance your eyes can see, and this is the point where every line meets. Through this point, I'm marking the line named as horizon, which means sky and the earth meets. To explain VP, as I said, every line meets this point. To understand concept of the one point perspective, let's try to draw basic cube or cuboid. And for that, I have to first draw a perfect square or a rectangle. Note that your lines, like every line, no matter it's a vertical or a horizontal, it should be drawn straight.
Songwriter Vault.
To draw its volume, every corner of the square should meet the VP.
Songwriter Vault.
You can try to draw more squares and rectangle like this to understand the concept. To understand more about perspective, let's try to understand with an example. I'll be drawing a basic room using one point. Very common example, but yeah, really helpful.
Songwriter Vault.
I have marked the room area through my VP. Now first, I want to add bed in my room. So I'll follow the previous steps and draw the block first. And followed by the additional details that I want to add in my bed or the things I'll be drawing in this scene.
Songwriter Vault. Songwriter Vault.
Everything that you will draw, try to simplify it just by making a block. And the rule will be the same. Try to draw a block first, then each point should meet the VP, and if you get the right block, you can add details to it according to your requirements. Also remember that by changing the VP, your vision changes. Not a vision, but you can say that your eye level changes. The way you look at the images, objects basically, it change. To understand this, I'll be drawing same object but with keeping different VP.
Songwriter Vault.
As in first, my VP is nearby horizon, so the object would look like almost equal to the size of it. In second, I have changed the VP to a bit higher. That makes the floor area wider, and it just look as we are watching the object from the top. In third, I mark the VP at low level. Through this, the roof area increases and the floor area decreases. That make us look either we are very small or we are sitting on the floor. So yeah, I hope that these ideas or concepts help you to know about what this perspective is. And yeah, if you don't understand anything, if you have any doubts, you can comment down. And okay, let's try to be more ambitious now. So let's go, and I hope you really enjoy this video. So make sure to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. So yeah, I'll be adding more videos on perspective on my channel really soon. So yeah, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.
Songwriter Vault. Songwriter Vault.